Hello kids! Let's learn about the different colors around us. The first color is color black. Let's open the black mystery box and see what's inside. What color is the spider? It is black. What color is the penguin? It is black. What color is the bat? It is black. What is the color of the glasses? It is black. What color is the hat? It is black. What is the color of the sky at night? It's black.
The next color is color blue. Let's open the blue mystery box. What color is the water? It is blue. What color is the dress? It is blue. What color is the dolphin? It is blue. What color is the car? It is blue. What is the color of the sky during the day? It's blue. Now let's learn about the color gray. Now let's open the gray mystery box. What is the color of the mouse? It is gray. What is the color of the cup? It is gray. What is the color of the rock? It is gray. What is the color of the elephant? It is gray. What is the color of the pencil? It is gray. What is the color of the watering pot? It's gray. Let's now learn about the color pink. Now let's see what's inside the pink mystery box. What color is the flower? It is pink. What color is the unicorn? It is pink. What color is the cupcake? It is pink. What color is the worm? It is pink. What color is the butterfly? It is pink. What is the color of the balloon? It's pink. Let's now learn about the color purple. Should we now open the purple mystery box? Let's go. What is the color of the grapes? It is purple. What is the color of the eggplant? It is purple. What is the color of the octopus? It is purple. What is the color of the bow? It is purple. And the castle? It is purple. What color is the handbag? It's purple. What's the next color to learn? Color brown. Now let's open the brown mystery box. is the monkey? It is brown. What color is the chocolate? It is brown. What color is the cookie? It is brown. What color is the nut? It is brown. What color is the ice cream? It is brown. What is the color of the lion's hair? It's brown. Let's now learn about the color green. And see what's inside the green mystery box. What is the color of the leaves? It is green. What color is the pear? It is green. What color is the alligator? It is green. What color is the broccoli? Color green. What color is the frog? Color green. What is the color of the trees? It's green. What is this color, kids? The color yellow. Let's open the yellow mystery box. What color is the sun? It is yellow. What color is the banana? It is yellow. What color is the lemon? It is yellow. What is the color of the peppers? It is yellow. What is the color of the cheese? It is yellow. What is the color of the bee? It's yellow. Let's now learn about the color orange. Should I open the orange mystery box? Let's go. What color is the carrot? It is orange. What color is the pumpkin? It is orange. What color is the fish? It is orange. What color is the leaf? Color orange. What color is the starfish? It is orange. Let's now learn about the next color. Color red. And discover the red mystery box together. What color is the strawberry? It is red. What color is the ketchup? It is red. What color is the apple? It is red. What color is the bow? It is red. What color is the ladybug? It is red. What color are the flowers? They are red. I hope now you know about the colors. Thanks for watching. See you later.